Thutha wa githagathago kiria gikoretwo kigumeire wakili Miguna Miguna undu umwe na gutunywo kwa uraia wake, mawakili yake nimekinyirie mbere ya mucirithania Chacha Mwita makienda kumenya mwerekera wa ciira uria mambite igoti-ini makienda Miguna acokio guku bururi-ini na acokerio ukenya wake.
The petition will be heard by way of oral evidence. And number 2, interest parties, namely Kenya National Commission on Human Rights and the Law Society of Kenya, have 14 days within which to file and serve their responses to the petition.
Na handu hagutua itua ringi mucirithania Chacha uria niwe wahamurithirie Miguna acokio guku bururi-ini na acokirie maratathi make ma ugendi ongerera thirikari ihinda icokie Miguna niguo ahote gwikinyia mbere ya igoti. Miguna uria uthitangite thirikari ugite minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i na maabitha anene ya thirikari matiathingatire watho makimuingata guku bururi-ini na oho ni magararire mikana iria yarutitwo ni igoti. Oho mawakili yake ni moritie mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji abike uthuthuria kumana na mieri ya minister Matiang'i mbere ya kamiti ya bunge kuria ugire kuri na batoni ya ciirithania manyitanire na mawakili na huraniria ihoto cia umundu na marahuthira ruhonge rwa magoti guthatia tabarira cia thirikari.
It's important that we get this also that we get to the depth of this matter, because it's the content of those two videos, my lord, is a complete attack and denigration of the judiciary as a whole, as part of an armed government and system of government.
Nimongereire kuga mieri ya Matiang'i ni ugwati munene hari wiyathi wa magoti na angikorwo iri na uma aria mekunyitikana magirirwo ni kuonio ngangambute.
And the internal security minister is not the only one who has had good education. We have had good education. In some cases I can say better than what he has had. But we have come to learn that we must respect our judges, our magistrates, because they give us confidence. They create stability in the country. And if we don't do that, the alternative is chaos.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.